Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Meta is preparing another model and they have given the code name as the Avocado, and they are saying that it is their most capable model up to the date. And this news is covered by The Information. The Information actually a popular top news media, and they have covered this. And some of the features also covered by this page, testing catalog news. So they are actually the early tester of any features that released by Cloud, OpenAI or Meta, and they have released some of the features that is present inside this Avocado. So let's discuss this, and the most interesting thing is that Avocado outperforms open source based models competitive with post-trained, and also Avocado achieves 10x compute efficiency over Maverick and 100x over Behemoth. So these Maverick and Behemoth are the two Llama 4 variation model, and this Avocado is actually 100x and 10x better than this existing Llama 4. Okay, so let's discuss the features. So what is new? Meta AI website got migrated to the new stack while retaining the same user experience. New effort selector, email, calendar connectors are already available to the users. Memory and projects are in works. Avocado and Avocado thinking models have been spotted in testing, and the router still redirects to the Llama model. So currently it is using the Llama model, but when the Avocado model will be published, then the by default model will be that Avocado. Meta is testing different models from other provider underneath, like Gemini 3 Pro Preview, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and GPT 5.2, and this part was likely inherited from Manas AI but used only internally. So this is a thing that they have mentioned. Meta AI is preparing to get new Avocado model and Manas browser agent and integration with OpenClaw. Okay, so they are actually kind of integrating the Manas browser agent, and OpenClaw integration has been spotted to let Meta AI connect to your OpenClaw gateway. And also they have given one of the demo in their testing what they have found. So let me play this demo and you will understand. Here you see that this is a kind of new interface, and here you can create the task, the calendar feature that are actually available. This is a Meta AI website, and here you can create the project, and this is a memory available. And here you see that this is the Avocado thinking model. So let me play this again, and this is the two Avocado model. Here you see RUXP Avocado, Avocado thinking, and this RUXP Avocado is for the UX playground, and this thinking model is for the deep thinking. And also there is a default Avocado model. So these three are the Avocado variation that actually Meta is testing and Meta will publish. Okay, and now this is the another post. Meta's new model is codenamed Avocado, and it is already beats the best open source model before any fine tuning or RLHF, reinforcement learning. So just pre-training, and internal doc says it is 10x more efficient than the Maverick and 100x more efficient than the Behemoth and the unreleased Llama 4 flagship. They attribute the gains to better training data, deterministic training methods, and infrastructure. Meta super intelligence lab built under Alexander Wang. So this Alexander Wang photo is actually got published in this the information. Here you see this is the Mark Zuckerberg and this is the Alexander Wang. So he is actually the chief officer. So here you see chief AI officer of Meta. So under his guidance, Avocado model is getting ready, and this is the full information that is published in the information page. Meta Platforms is sounding an increasingly bullish note about the first major AI model expected to emerge from its new AI group, and the group name is that Meta Super Intelligence Labs, and that is its next generation large language model, code name Avocado, is now Meta's most capable pre-trained base model to the date. Means already it is in the pre-trained stage and it is beating all of the other popular open source model. According to an internal memo which was viewed by the information, in the memo dated January 20, the company said it had completed pre-training for Avocado and an initial phase in the development of AI models in which they learned general knowledge patterns relationship after being exposed to vast amount of data. And the memo posted by the Megan Fu, Meta Super Intelligence Labs product manager, said that Avocado outperforms the best open source base models, and the base models are pre-trained LLMs that have not yet been polished through an additional phase called post-training. So it is only in pre-training, but it is giving the best performance. So they are telling that if they do the post-training, then the model will be more powerful in all of the existing open source model, and in which models are refined for specialized tasks through techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback. Despite the fact that Avocado had not yet gone through post-training, Avocado was competitive with leading post-trained models in knowledge, visual perception, multilingual performance, according to the memo. In 2025, the company struggled with the performance of what was then the next generation of its LLM, Llama 4. So it was actually a disaster. We did not get the actual expected answer or the performance from the Llama 4, so we were totally disappointed. But now they are struggling to make a new model from their new labs, which is the Meta Super Intelligence Lab. And Meta has begun pouring record amount of cash into AI efforts. So it recently forecast that its capital expenditure for 2026, which include AI computing cost, will rise roughly 73% to between 115 billion and 135 billion compared to 2025. So they are actually doing the huge improvement to their AI models. So let's see that when they will publish this model publicly, then only we will understand that how much effort they are giving for making this such kind of avocado model, which is the code named. Okay, so to get this kind of latest news in AI, what is happening, please make sure to subscribe this channel. Please make sure to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.